Thank you for calling Hammond Services. This is Sarah. Hey, Miss Key. I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you? Oh, okay. Well, that's good to hear. It is. That thermostat, you still can't program it right? Okay. Well, that is absolutely okay. What we'll do is we'll get Brian out there, and he's one of our best senior technicians, and he'll come out. Yes, ma'am. I know it's frustrating. This will be the third time, but you know what? We're going to get this figured out for you, okay? Okay. Well, we'll see you. Bye-bye. Hey, Brian. Miss Key needs you out again. She still can't figure out that thermostat.
Hey, how are we doing? My name's Brian from Hammond Services. Been here 12 years. I'm going to explain our YORK Wi-Fi thermostat. This thermostat is touchscreen. It's also programmable. And I'm going to take y'all through the program here. So we're going to go to Schedule. We're going to edit your schedule. And we're going to select all. And what that does, it's Monday through Sunday. And you can set morning, day, evening, and night. And what we'll do for the morning, if you wake up at 6 a.m., we'll go in here and, at 6 a.m., we're getting out of a hot shower, so we're going to turn this temperature down some to kind of cool you down. And you would hit done. Then during the day, we're really not there, so we don't want this thing running, but we do want to keep it at a good temperature. So we'll set that to 78. So what that does, it saves you on your power bills. During the day when you're not home, you can have this thing turned off, and before you get home, it'll turn back on and it'll be comfortable when you get home. And once we got those set, we're going to go next. Then we're going to save that, return home. And another good feature on this, you can also control your thermostat from your phone. And you can always go in and manipulate whatever you want to manipulate to change the temperatures. And that's about it.